Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to be doing a maintenance item. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter, but with a twist. I'm actually going to be trying for the first time a BMW odor remover. So let's see if it works out. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I know that different people remove different panels different ways, etc. I'm just going to show you how I do it and not stress about it. Okay, so down in here you have two different sizes of torque screws that we need to take off. You have the big ones here that are for the knee airbag, this here. And these are T30. Here you go. And then the smaller ones are for this trim piece that we got to take out. That's these here. There's one there, one on the other end, and there's one here on this carpet trim here. That one is a T20. This panel, once you take off this screw, you just go ahead and pull on it, and then it slides forward. There we go. Okay, now this part, what we do is that we have to release the airbag from the hooks that it's on here, and both panels should come out. All right. So now you see what I did is I disconnected the footwell light and the cigarette lighter. So now all I have connected is the airbag. I never disconnect the airbag, but at this point I can now swing the entire thing outside so I have space here. Okay, now that we're here, this is the cover plate that covers the cabin air filter. And there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. And with that, we'll be able to go ahead and remove the filters. Okay, now that the cover is off, there you go. There's the filters here. I'm going to take off one at a time. Yeah, so typically this is where I would say to go ahead and put the new filter on and do everything in reverse, and you'd be done with the replacement of the cabin air filter. But we are adding this step of doing the odor eliminator to it. So right now there's no filter in the housing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn on the car, close all the windows, and AC at full blast. And then I'll go ahead and crack this tab and place it directly under the AC box right here. So that way it can take all the contents and run it through the circuit. We're going to do it for about 5 minutes. And then at the end of those 5 minutes, we're just going to go inside, we're going to open all the windows and let it just vent out. And then at that point, we'll be done. We'll go ahead and put the new filter on and do everything in reverse order. All right, so we are now done with the odor eliminator, and I have to say, you walk inside the car and it just smells like straight mint. It smells like I spilled a bottle of Scope mouthwash. But in all seriousness, it's not bad, and I know that that's going to go away in time. What I'm more concerned about is the long-term effect it had on the evaporator core. Did it eliminate the odor or not? Something that I have to say that is a big plus about this BMW Odor Eliminator is the fact that it left no film behind. And that is a complaint that I've heard about other people that have used other odor eliminators that work a similar way. And they'll say that the windows have a film, that the dash had a film, etc. I checked the dash, I checked directly under it on the glove box where it was hitting. Windshield, windows, there is no film whatsoever with this, so I'm very happy with that. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and put the new cabin air filter in place, put everything back together. All right, guys, so it's been 4 days since I went ahead and replaced the cabin air filter and did the odor remover, and I have to say that it worked. I don't have any of the mildewy smell on initial start when the car's been sitting outside. That's gone, and the minty smell of the odor remover itself is fading away, and it's definitely not just masking the mildew. It took care of it. It's gone, because you could tell minty mildew. There's no mildew at all. So yeah, I'm definitely happy with it. So highly recommend it. If you guys liked it, what you saw, please give me a like, consider subscribing, and of course I got more stuff coming. Thank you so much.